Every journey begins with a choice. For some, it's a path shaped by opportunity, and for others, it's driven by something deeper, a calling to serve and a desire to make a difference. In the Philippines, government service is known for stability, meaningful work, and opportunities for leadership. Many students choose public administration because they aspire to serve the public, lead in their communities, and contribute to the nation building. For many students who chose public administration, the decision wasn't just about the course. It was about purpose. A vision of contributing to society, understanding governance, and becoming part of something bigger than themselves. Not because others told them to, but because they believe in it. Behind every decision lies a personal story, a desire to build a career that matters, one that earns respect, creates impact, and gives meaning to everyday work. These are quiet motivations, unseen yet powerful, guiding them towards a future in public service. But passion alone is not enough. The path to public service comes with challenges, standards to meet, qualifications to earn, and examinations to pass. These realities shape decisions, turning ambitions into actions, and dreams into achievable goals.
Good afternoon, I'm Vincent Ticala, graduate ng Bachelor of Science in Public Administration, batch 2016. Ako yung nagtatrabaho bilang isa sa mga instructors ng BSPA na rin. So, dating student ng BSPA, ngayon ay part na ng faculty ng BSPA. My reason for choosing public administration, I have no idea about the course. Wala talaga, as in zero knowledge. Kasi when we were young, ang alam naman natin, gusto nating maging nurse, gusto nating maging doktor, abogado, piloto, etc. Pero never naman siguro tayong makaka-encounter ng isang bata na gustong maging government employee. Talagang ako, I have zero knowledge about public administration. Not until I graduated in high school, tapos merong nagpunta na taga-DLL, Career Guidance yata yung tawag doon. Then inintroduce nila yung course. Hindi pa rin ako doon na encourage na mag-PA. Kaya lang, since dahil na rin sa kahirapan, walang fund, walang pambaaral, walang source ng financial source para makapag-aaral. So, isinama ako ng classmate ko dito na mag-exam daw sa City College before. So, nag-take ako ng exam, nakapasa, and pinili ko yung course ng public administration. Then, yung kaklase ko, nakapasa din. Pero iniwan ako dito, so ako lang yung naiwan. So, yun lang talaga, walang influence. So, ang primary reason, wala akong pambaaral sa iba. Then, dito, libre. Pero dito ko na rin nahanap yung purpose kung bakit ako nag-aral ng public administration. Na-connect ko na rin. Kasi noon talaga gusto ko ding maging abogado. Nung nabasa ko mga public administration about government, pwede siyang karilo. Yun, nag-aral na rin ako ng public ad and eventually minahal ko na rin yung course. Okay, so internal factor siguro, magustuhan kong magtrabaho in the government. Kasi naniniwala ako that the government is the biggest employer or the largest employer in the country. Malulugi ang mga private businesses. Pag nalugi ang mga private businesses or private sector, nagsasara yan. Pero ang gobyerno natin, malugi man, naniniwala ako, hindi yan magsha-shutdown, hindi yan magsasara. Patuloy at patuloy ang mananatili. So, isa yun sa mga factor na nag-influence sa akin. So, yung availability ng opportunity na rin. And yung sa external factor naman, karamihan kasi sa family members namin ay nagtatrabaho in the government. And that influences my choice or that influenced my choice para mag-public ad. Gusto kong maging tahanay nila. May mga kamag-anak ako in our hometown in Candelaria na into government service talaga. Some are elected officials ng mismong munisipyo. May mga konsehal ako ng bayan na kamag-anak. Yung angka namin, so the family Digala in Candelaria ay may mga naging mayor na rin ng lugar. Somehow, nakita ko yung sarili ko na baka pwede rin ako sa ganung linya. So to sum it up, ano yung influence ng family sa naging external factor on why I choose public administration.
His story reflects the journey of many, where personal passion meets real-world demands, and where purpose finds its place in public service. Beyond graduation, the lessons of public administration continue to unfold. Skills in planning, organizing in programs, and making decisions that matter become part of their everyday lives, not just as professionals, but as contributors to society. Career choices are never shaped by a single factor. They are built from purpose, shaped by experience, and guided by opportunity. And in the end, it is not just about the job they choose, but the impact they decide to make. For BSPA graduates, the journey is more than a career. It is a commitment to serve, to lead, and to make a difference.